Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today I will discuss media convergence. Media convergence phenomenon involving the interconnection of information and communications technologies, computer networks, and media content. It brings together the three C's: computing, communication, and content, and is a direct consequence of the digitization of media content and the popularization of the internet. Media convergence transforms established industries, services, and work practices and enables entirely new forms of content to emerge. It inroads long established media industry and content silos and increasingly uncouples content from particular devices, which in turn parents major challenges for public policy and regulation. The five major elements of media convergence: the technological, the industrial, the social, the textual, and the political are discussed below. Technological convergence. The first point is technological convergence. The technological dimension of convergence is the most readily understood. With the World Wide Web, smartphones, tablet computers, smart televisions, and other digital devices, billions of people are now able to access media content that was once tied to specific communications, media, print and broadcast, or platforms, newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and cinema. Since a diverse array of content is now being accessed through the same devices, media organizations have developed cross-media content. For example, news organizations no longer simply provide just print or audiovisual content, but are portals that make material available in form such as text, video, and podcasts, as well as providing links to other relevant resources, online access to their archives, and opportunities for users to comment on the story or provide links to relevant material. These developments have transformed journalism by breaching long-standing boundaries between who is and is not a journalist. See citizen journalism. Between deadlines and other time between journalists and editors, and between content platforms. American journalism professor Jane Singer argued that in journalism today, The formed once closed newspaper story is now an open text with an ongoing existence. Industry merges. Such technological transformations have been met by industry convergence and consolidation, as well as by the rise of giant new digital media players. The 1990s and early 2000s saw large mergers where the biggest media companies sought for diversify their interests across media platforms. Among the largest mergers were Viacom Paramount, Disney ABC, Viacom CBS, NBS Universal, and the biggest merger in corporate history at the time, the 2000 merger of America Online, AOL, and Time Warner. There were also takeovers of new media startup companies by the established media players such as News Corporation's 2005 takeover of Intermix Media Incorporation, the parent company of MySpace. In the late 1990s, all these mergers made sense according to the logic of synergies in which cross-platform media entities were greater than the sum of their component parts. However, after the technology bubble burst in 2000 with the Nasdaq crash, it became apparent that cultural differences between merged entities were more difficult to overcome than was first thought. For example, the AOL Time Warner merger was a failure, and by the time AOL was quietly spun off as a separate public company in 2009, its value was a fraction of the estimated 350 billion the merged entity was worth in 2001. Similarly, News Corporation sold off MySpace for $35 million in 2011, having paid $580 million to acquire it in 2005. Thank you.